All right, today we're sitting here with Laurie Enea. I wanted to bring her to everyone's attention because she is just an absolutely fabulous agent that works for us here at Experience Real Estate Partners. And Laurie has quite the history with, not only running her own business, marketing, a lot of people, passion, jobs in the past, and of course she's a fabulous real estate agent too. So I wanted to introduce you to Laurie today and tell you a little bit about her and let her tell us a little bit about herself. So Laurie, without any further ado, tell us what brought you up in life and your businesses and brought you ultimately to the real estate world.
Thanks, Kathy. So I started off in the entertainment industry right after I graduated from school. I was born and raised in Chesterfield, Missouri, a suburb of St. Louis, and hightailed it to LA a couple months after graduation.
Nice.
And I spent nearly a decade in the entertainment industry doing advertising. So we developed the trailers, the TV spots, the posters, the billboards, everything that we needed to market a movie.
Exciting.
Worked with all of the different departments to do that. So I was at an advertising agency, also worked at the studios, and my last gig was the director of marketing for Universal Pictures International.
So obviously that's an easy kind of segue into real estate because you love promotions.
Right.
You know how to do promotions, which obviously when you're selling houses, you want somebody that can market your property effectively. And really in this business, it's mostly we're really like a marketing company first before we're real estate.
Absolutely.
It's like, where's the horse in the cart?
Mm-hmm.
And you got to get the eyeballs there first before you even start working on a sale.
Right.
So people don't understand, how important it is to have somebody that's that type of thought process of being creative enough to be able to market a property properly versus just be able to fill in forms and do contracts. Like sometimes it's two different brains.
Sure.
And you have a perfect mix of both, I feel. So
well, thank you. Yeah, I had really enjoyed the competitive side of the business as far as finding your property from a buying standpoint compared to what else is out there, really analyzing the comparative analysis. When I was marketing movies, we would have to take a look at the slate of all the films out there and figure out when were we going to release ours, who was releasing theirs when versus who were we going up against.
Yeah.
And I take that knowledge and I put the exact same knowledge into my real estate career. Smart. So as an agent, if I have your listing, if I'm selling your house, I really comb through all of the comparables out there in the past year and see what they sold for, how much was the kitchen, were the baths updated. I just go through a fine-tooth comb. A lot of agents don't take the time to do that. I have experienced that.
Yes.
But I really love that part. Also, from a buying standpoint, I do the exact same thing. I will take the time to sit down and see why the houses have sold for this much money in this neighborhood, and are you offering a fair price, or do you want to offer a little bit more to secure your deal? Mm-hmm. So I really enjoy that part of it. Plus the client service side. Right.
So let's talk about where that comes from. You definitely have some experience with client service as well, and just operating a business. And everybody knows real estate, whether you're on a team, not on a team, it is your own business. So not everybody is a great business person, and it requires that as well. So after LA, kind of what was your next steps that got you even more experienced?
Right. So my choices were, I was actually, my last gig was in London. So I was in LA for a
international
long time.
lady
Yeah,
here.
International. So then I moved to London for a year. So I had the opportunity to stay in London with a job there, or move back to LA. And I actually chose to move back to St. Louis. Wow. Yeah, exactly.
Look at St. Louis.
That's right. And that is when I started my ladies' clothing boutique and accessories.
Yes.
So started off with one, grew it to two, really took advantage of the recession. We were in a position to launch our private label at that time. So we were able to be in a cash position to open up another boutique.
Nice.
And really take advantage of that. And so I did that for about 15 years. And my number one focus was, the second that somebody walks through that front door, you act as if your best friend just walked through the front door. And so that's exactly how it worked for me. My clients were number one, absolutely, all the time.
And if I'm speaking out of line, tell me, but I think that was one thing that drew you to the experience.
Right,
with
absolutely.
our group is that is the core of the foundation of our business is making sure that we're providing the best possible experience for our real estate consumers. So you already had that ingrained in you, and plus you're a driver if you were able to run your own business and then open a second business. That just shows that you're self-motivated and you're a driver. So we meet, you know, you fell in love with real estate, you've sold and bought before too, and then you got into the real estate market, and then, you know, here we are. So she's doing phenomenal. Is there anything, you know, else you want to say to anybody out there about your passion for real estate and anything else that we didn't touch on?
I mean, I just feel like we have such a solid group here of expert agents. I mean, everybody takes the time to sit down and go through questions and what ifs and scenarios, and I really love the strategy and the contract writing and trying to get behind the scenes and figure out, like, why are people making this next move? How can we get you this next contract? I really enjoy the strategy part of it.
And that's unusual here. Not everybody realizes that. I'm going to brag on ourselves, but we're very collaborative,
Right,
you know,
absolutely.
and we spend time every single week going over the previous week's hurdles and challenges, wins, losses. We call them learning opportunities. And we all come together and we each share those with each other. So everyone is learning every single week, even though I've got agents that are 20 years in the business. Every single week, sometimes like, oh my gosh, I never knew that. And usually this business is very solitary. So you're your own person, and you know, not a lot of people are having these types of conversations together. So I think that that's something that, you know, you're speaking of. The agents is not just the agents, it's support staff as well. That is really beneficial to everybody here, that ends up benefiting the client because it allows you to be able to focus on your highest and best use of time, right?
Absolutely.
Which is clients and strategy and negotiations and that type of thing.
Absolutely. I mean, the great thing about experienced real estate is you really, really can get the backup that you need from a broker standpoint and from a support standpoint. So I just feel really lucky that I landed in this nest.
Really
Because there are a lot of nests out there, and you know, you speak to so many, and you keep coming back to the same one. The minute that I met Kathy, within 5 minutes I knew that it was the right fit for me.
It was love at first sight for both of us. So yes, we're so glad to have you. So again, it's Laurie Enea, and want to put your contact information on the screen. You want to shout it out, whatever you want, but definitely if you're thinking of buying, selling, building, investing, any of that stuff, Laurie is your girl. How do they find you?
Oh, you can call me on my cell phone, 314-607-8055, or text, or you can email me at laurie@experience-re.com.
You got it. All right, that's another little introduction to one of our great agents. Thanks for tuning in today, everybody, and don't forget to reach out to Laurie.
That's a wrap.